Hello everyone, welcome back to A Softek IT Consult. If today is your first time visiting our channel or seeing our video, please like and then give us a subscription. In today's video, we are going to solve a real world problem. That's a raw academic pain point across multiple universities. This is a response or a follow-up to our GPA CWA series. If you remember that playlist, if you haven't watched them, please do well to watch them in order to understand the implementation details and grading structure and systems of universities in Ghana. I introduce to you the multi-school GPA CWA calculator. One may ask, what about this calculator? Yes, the question. This is a correct, precise, exact, right, errorless, error-free, without error, faultless, perfect, valid, specific, detailed, minute, unambiguous, meticulous, reliable, canonical, spot on, and then bang on calculator which does not disappoint. Why the use of this calculator? Are you tired of guessing your GPA, CGPA, CWA, or FGPA? Or are you tired of using confusing and inaccurate tools? This custom-built calculator was made specifically for students in Ghanaian universities like KNUST, GCTU, UCC, and the University of Ghana. Here is why it's a must to use this calculator. It's very accurate and university-specific. It was built using the official grading formulas of each university. It supports GPA, CGPA, FGPA, and CWA. There is no more juggling of different tools for different schools, and it is also user-friendly. No sign-ups, no logins, no fluff, just result. Purely result-oriented. It is instant when it comes to result. It helps you know where you stand, even right now, academically as I talk to you. It helps you plan smarter, predict what grades you need for first class or your target degree class. In any case you want to test your result with any other university, you can key in your results in their system to see how you will fare if you were there. But the ongoing debate about CGPA and CWA, especially among Ghanaian universities and their students, the system settles the debate assiduously. Stay here with me, stay here with us, and then let's do this.
A Softek IT Consult.
Let's get started, and without wasting much time, I'm going to show you the tool that we built that I spoke about in the introduction. So if you have a web browser, any web browser, or even your cell phone or anything, you can open the web browser. It can be Chrome, it can be Mozilla, it can be Brave, any of them, and just go to the search bar and then you type this, prof ericus.github.io. okay, this very one. Okay, so profericus.github.io multi-school GP, and then we just enter. Yes, so the system is opened, but in this very video our focus is going to be on the GCTU. Let me tell you something great about the GCTU system. I don't know if you've watched our video on the GCTU grading system. Like that, GCTU is the only institution which has a very special, and I think from my point of view, is the most accurate GPA grading system I've seen. Okay, as compared to the University of Cape Coast and then the University of Ghana. Okay, I think when you watch that video, you can tell the difference. If you haven't watched, you can go back and then you watch, and then you give me the identification of that particular issue in the comment section on that particular video. Okay, you could tell that GCTU has the most accurate grading system. Okay, everything adds up very well. But with the University of Ghana and the University of Cape Coast, you realize there is one particular disparity. But that is my point of view. I don't know why they did it that way. Okay, so as I said, without wasting much time, let's just finish this one here. So when you open the site, okay, this is the interface. We have 4 schools. Okay, GCTU. Okay, we have UCC, Legon, KNUST. Okay, and then we have a small screen right here, which is to support the developer, okay, of this particular project. So in case you want to support the developer to host the system, okay, on a domain, you can just make a donation. Any amount is acceptable. Okay, so let's get started. So let's select GCTU. All right, so as it opens, this is how it looks like. You remember in our GPA series, we explained this, we explained credit hours, we explained the marks, and then here we are going to have interpretation coming right from here. Okay, so what this, you just insert the course name here, the credit hours, and then here the marks. So let's do that as simple as ABC. It is a very simple system, very intuitive, okay, very accurate as well. Okay, so assuming we have a course we call maybe math, okay, credit hours is 3, we have the marks as 78, okay, we add another course. So this is for semester 1. You see we have semester 2. You can even add another semester, as you can see from here, okay. You can add another semester, semester 3. So this can be your level 100 first semester, level 100 for second semester, level 200 first semester, and then it goes on and on. Okay, so let me add another course. Maybe let's assume maybe I have a course called science, that is 3 credit hours, and then that is 80. Okay, so with this, let me just click on calculate semester GPA. So you see the grade interpretations are now showing, yes, and then what it gives you. So in case you have 6 or 7 or 10 courses, you can add all of them, and then you click on the calculate, and then this gives you the semester GPA, not the CGPA. Okay, you know, in our videos we explained that CGPA is cumulative, which means we add 2 or more semesters. So let's calculate CGPA. Assuming I have another course here, which this is 90. Okay, oh sorry, this is 3 credit hours, and then this is 90, and then let's add another one. This is a course B, and then maybe this is a project work. Okay, and then we have around 79. Okay, let's calculate the semester GPA. You realize that when I click on the semester GPA, it calculates the CGPA automatically. See something? Okay, so can you see the semester GPA is 3.84, and then the cumulative is for 3.85. Okay, and then when you go down and down and down, I think the last part you are going to find the what, the CGPA, and then your class. Okay, so even after this, you can even print your result, okay, from here, and then you can save it, okay, in a form of PDF, and then you have all the what assessment. So if you are looking out or forward, if you don't understand the GCTU grading system, we have the most wanted, the most specific, the most accurate, precise, bang on, and then spot on GPA calculation system for GCTU. Okay, and I hope you are going to love, and then you're going to like this particular project. Okay, we also have the last thing I'll talk about is the dark mode. If you don't want the white mode, you can go to the dark mode. So this is our GCTU grading system or GPA calculator. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Till we meet again, the name is Kwame A+, and I'm out. Watch out. Peace. Shalom. Bye bye.
For more information and also to reach us, please contact the numbers on the screen. You can also reach us through our social media handles displayed on the screen. Please do like, follow, and subscribe to our social media handles. A Softek IT Consult. Innovative solutions with the difference.